Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental ailments, physical illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is Virgo's peace. Peace among your soul, into your mind, into your spirit. You're in the right place. You're at the right time. You may be going through a hard time, but you are at the quarter mile. That's not the quarter mile. You're at the quarter sprint. The last part of that 100 race is there's only a few more blocks left for you to run. A few more steps for you to finish this race till you go into a new season. Spring and summer's right around the corner. They're for new opportunities, a new you. You've been working on yourself so long for the last couple months, years, and you're becoming a whole new person. I know you're excited about it, but peace be on your soul. You're in the right place, right time, and you've done great work. Enjoy life. So many people feel as though you have to be in the rustle and bustle just because you feel busy or you're exhausted, feels like you're being productive. No, sometimes you just need to sit and be. Go out to nature today. Go to your favorite place and just listen, enjoy. Let time slow down and watch how it benefits your life. I'm unwavering in the face of fear because fear fears you. It looks you in the eye and guarantee what you look in an eye, it will turn around and run and flee. Therefore, you can finish your journey of being great. I come to my senses, embrace challenge. We bend, but we never break. I'm determined to think with gentleness and calm. I find inner silence and I become a manifestation of peace. When you're in your quiet place, when you're unbothered, when you're at peace, so many things come into your reality. So many things come to mind. You're able to think better, feel better, therefore your life will now become better. Love yourself, love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, and I love you too.